Planning to admit your child in a play school, what I saw just shocked me. Before you pay to that play school, ask this question. It's very important. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Shutapa. Are you confused whether to send your child to a play school or a big school that offers nursery to higher secondary? Well, I was in your shoes, but not long ago. So, in today's video, I'm going to share why I skipped Gyanav to get admitted in play school rather than I admitted Gyanav in big school, which offers nursery to higher secondary. Well, now I'm going to discuss the points why we choose higher secondary school for Gyanav. So, number one point, the first point is stability. When we say stability means if we go for directly for a high school, it will be much more convenient that we do not have to change the school in class 1 or in KG. And again, your son or your daughter will be not having again new friends or not have to build up new friends or new environment they will be getting. It is not going to happen, right? So this is the main point. The second point is syllabus, like well structured syllabus, even in nursery also. If we compare with a play school syllabus like the nursery syllabus, and if we compare with the high school nursery syllabus, irrespective of boards, there is a heaven and hell difference, guys. So to all the moments, if you are taking any decision, take the decision wisely. The third point, what I felt, that is well infrastructure, good environment, safety, hygiene, everything is in a formation which you will not find in a small school or in a play school. So what I personally felt, if I go for a play school, it will be waste of time as well as it will be like waste of money also. Now the very important point is professional attitude from day one. Like from day one, if your child is getting admitted in high school, you will notice from day one they are getting trained. Not only that, they will be having all trained faculties, like the trained teachers. They will be getting education from trained teachers. That doesn't mean I'm saying that in play school there are not those teachers are not trained teachers. I'm not saying that. But if you compare with the faculties in play school as well as in high school, you will find the difference. I'd like to highlight a set of example, like when we visited one of the school, high school I'm talking about, and when the administration department took us to a nursery class, at that point of time I just decided or make my mind that yes, that's it, this is what exactly I was looking. They were having a separate activity room, a separate classroom. Like in nursery, they were having four sections. So they were having all separate things, like a separate play zone, separate activity zone, classroom. Everything was separate. Everything was well structured. Look, now what I will advise to all the fellow moms: do not take a drastic step or a decision before visiting the schools. I was in your situation, trust me. Like I was thinking about where to give my child in play school or in high school. It took me more than months to decide. I was just scrolling internet, I was checking all the videos in YouTube, and I was checking in Google also, search engine of like everything I was going through. But however, what I personally felt after visiting both these schools, I visited play school also, I visited high school also, and then I took the decision. So that's what I will also request you to all the mommies: took the decision wisely, because see, everybody's situation is not same, right? So you have to visit both the school, feel the vibe. If you are feeling positive vibe in high school, please go for that. High school and play school, the big difference is they are a bit slow in play school. Like they go slowly, slowly in terms of syllabus, in terms of learning everything. But in high school, everything will be fast. Like they will move very fast in terms like they will be following the syllabus and everything, right? So if you think that your child can take it or your child can grab it quickly, then I will always suggest go for high school. But if your child cannot grab it quickly, if you think that it will be a burden, or if you think that your child will be getting more burden or it will be hectic for your child, then I will suggest go for play school. A small school equals to gentle care. Don't think that. Trust me. A big school also can give both care, learning, well organized environment, everything. If you are still wondering what's right for your kid, whether to go for a play school or a high school, you can comment below. I will reply you personally. We mommies have to help each other instead of judgment. So for today, we will be ending the session. But yes, do not forget to subscribe Upbringing with Shikapa to get more honest tips on parenting. So thank you so much, and we will end up today's session. However, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel to get more honest parenting tips. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care of your child, take care of your health, and take care of your family. Thank you so much.